Healthy homemade snacks for weight loss. Snacking is good when you feel hungry between meals. Choosing healthy snacks will help you and your family stay at a healthy weight. Each of these snacks is in the 100-calorie range, so you can snack guilt-free while trimming down. Even mix and match the snacks to create tasty, new combinations. Fruits: 1 small banana, 1 medium apple, 1/4 cup raisins, 1 cup whole strawberries, 1/2 cup canned fruit cocktail, in juice, not syrup, 1/2 cup orange juice. Vegetables: 1 cup cherry or grape tomatoes, 2 cups raw mixed veggies with 2 tablespoons fat-free dressing, 12 baby carrots, 18 small celery sticks, 1 cup raw cauliflower, 1 cup low-sodium vegetable juice. Breads, cereals, rice, and pasta: 1/2 cup oat circles cereal, 2 gram cracker squares, 3 cups air-popped popcorn, 1/2 whole wheat English muffin, with jelly, 4 whole wheat crackers, unsalted, 2 brown rice and multi-grain rice cakes, fat-free or low-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt, 6 ounces cup fat-free, plain yogurt, 1/2 cup low-fat cottage cheese, 1 cup fat-free milk, 1/2 cup fat-free pudding, 1/2 cup fat-free, frozen yogurt, 1 ounce low-fat, cheddar cheese. Other snacks: 1 large, hard-boiled egg, 8 baked tortilla chips, with salsa, 10 almonds.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,